Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to connect Profinet cable step by step. Begin by powering down controllers and switches, then verify shielded Profinet cable and gather tools. Carefully measure and strip about 15 millimeters of the outer jacket, keeping conductors intact, and separate the drain wire and foil shield for termination. Follow device pinouts, maintain pair twists as short as possible, and ensure correct grounding of the cable shield before powering up. Now strip precisely and position conductors for consistent terminations using appropriate tools. Keep pair twists tight until right at the connector, and insert each conductor into the correct pin based on the device diagram. Crimp or screw terminals to manufacturer torque values, then fold and secure the drain wire to the shield termination point. Double-check pinout mapping to avoid cross connections and ensure shielding continuity for noise immunity in industrial environments. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during installs with a handy water bottle you can carry to the field. It's a small comfort that keeps you focused. I mention a popular insulated bottle I use for long shift work as a light recommendation. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Power up devices after a final visual inspection, and then run a cable test to verify continuity, pair integrity, and absence of shorts. Check link LEDs and use network diagnostics to confirm correct Profinet communication parameters and topology. Secure the cable with appropriate strain relief, route away from high voltage runs, and label both ends for future maintenance. Document termination details so a colleague can reproduce or troubleshoot the installation reliably.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.